What did Mr. McElwraith ask us to do? Make a 30-second video. You guys still here? Beat it! Only kidding. Good luck.
Hello Primary 7s, I just want to wish you all the very best in your move to your secondary schools. We'll miss you very much in Onthank Primary School. You've been a credit to the school and be proud of yourselves of what you have achieved. My message to you is, try to be a cloud in someone else's rainbow. Enjoy yourselves over the summer and enjoy your new secondary school.
I want to wish you all the very best on your new adventure that awaits you after the summer holidays. I'm just trying to think of some of the things that I was involved with you when you have had your time at Onthank. Obviously we were all together in the P6 landing, which was an extremely busy landing, and there was certainly plenty going on. One of my things that I do recall is how well everybody did, learning how to do peer feeding for our dyslexia friendly schools, and the fact that we actually went on ahead and were successful in getting our silver accreditation. So well done everybody, and it was down to your efforts as well. Our trip out to Amazonia and our athletics, all these things I remember watching you enjoy doing different things, developing your skills and doing your very best. So keep at it, do your very best, and good luck for when you go to the academy. Bye now.
Just to wish you good luck at your new school, and say we've been really proud of you your time here. All the best. Bye.
Hi Primary 7, I hope you're all doing well. I loved teaching you last year when you were with us in Primary 6. A special shout out goes to my old Primary 6 class. You guys were awesome. Some of my highlights from last year was doing the John Muir Award with you, being outside, doing some fun activities, and then heading up to Amazonia, seeing the cool animals. Do you remember the talking parrots and holding all the different cool animals? That was a great day. We met Miss James up at Scotland Street School. She was quite a strict World War II teacher. Watching Spywatch together, listening to you sing along to the opening credits, and then the big gasp when we reached the end of the episode for the cliffhanger. I have to give a huge shout out to the athletics team this year. East Ayrshire champions once more. Well done team. What a talented bunch you are. I wish you the very best as you move forward into high school. Keep working hard. Take advantage of new opportunities that come your way. Make sure you say hello to us in the future if you see us about. But I wish you the very, very best. Stay safe and have a great summer. We'll really miss you. Goodbye Primary 7.
Hi, Mrs McCall here. I just want to say that I absolutely loved having you in Primary 1 and then some of you back again in Primary 4. Remember, all best people go to Onthank.
Help me Primary 7. You're my only hope.
It's been an honour getting to know each and every one of you in Primary 7. I'm particularly proud to have been part of Onthank Primary School's very first strategy club with Miss McKelvey. Work hard, reach for the stars, and may the force be with you.
Hello Primary 7, well you're off on your next big adventure. It's been lovely getting to know you this year and having you as prefects, and thank you very much for all your help. I hope you enjoy the academy and good luck in the future. May the force be with you. Bye.
Well, Primary 7s, the time has come. It's time to move on. I've got fond memories of you in Primary 2. You were my first class in the new building where we are currently. You've got lots of adventures ahead and I wish you all the very best. Bye.
Hi there, it's Mr Smith here. Just wanted to wish all the P7s the very best of luck for moving up to secondary school. We're all going to miss you here at Onthank. I had the privilege of being on the residential trip at Inverclyde with many of you, and I really thought what a fantastic bunch of kids you were. So best of luck. I'm sure you're going to go on to great things, and I hope you do keep in touch and come and visit us back at Onthank whenever you can. Take care, best of luck, and see you soon. Bye bye.
Sevens, just wanted to wish you all the very best for your move to the new big school. It's a real shame we haven't managed to get together for your final blast off, but I'm sure you'll all do well, and I remember quite a lot of you from infants, and I'm sure if you keep up the good work you'll all be very successful, and I look forward to hearing all about your stories later. So best of luck no matter what you do, and keep in touch. Bye, have a safe summer.
Hi Primary 7s, just a quick message to say really sad to see you guys go. I've got some great memories of having you back in Primary 4, but the one I'm going to go with is remembering reading through the register and seeing a name on there and letting you listen to a classic track from the 80s in which you all learned, and then we used to sing along to. So for one last time, here we go. All the best guys.
Good luck Primary 7. I'm sure you will all be amazing at secondary school. Special shout out to Primary 7M. You guys were honestly one of the best classes I ever taught. Onthank will miss you.
Hi Primary 7. I just want to say what a privilege it's been to have been able to teach so many of you over your time at Onthank. I just want to wish you all the very best as you're about to embark on your next big adventure at your secondary schools. I know you're all going to smash it.
The very best Primary 7 as you move on to your new schools. I feel so grateful that I got to work with so many of you over your time at Onthank. Keep smiling.
How do you make a message to the Primary 7s who think they know everything? Been there, seen it, done it, wore the t-shirt. Well, do you remember when you were in Primary 1 when your school life had just begun? You moved on to Primary 2, by then you knew what to do. When you got to Primary 3, you were no longer wee, so in Primary 4, you knew the score. In Primary 5, you came alive. And in Primary 6, you'd picked up some new tricks. But Primary 7, you'd reached Onthank heaven. And now, it's time to move on to pastures new. Can I say to you, as you move on to this big new world in the Academy, be yourself, be proud, because I'm proud to have known you. Good luck.
Oh, what a terrible show this was. Wasn't it, Cooper? Oh, sorry, Primary 7. I didn't see you there. Thanks for a wonderful time at Onthank Primary School. It's been great getting to know you and see you all shine. You're going to continue to do that at Kilmarnock Academy, and they're lucky to have you. Always be you. Keep smiling, keep singing, keep dancing. Lots of love from me and Cooper. Bye.
2, 3. Well, everybody, have a wonderful summer. Stay safe, stay connected, stay together. We can't wait to have you back. But I'm sure you really wanted an encore. So let's join together as a whole school community and show Onthank Primary what we're made of.
Get on your feet.
Raise your voices to the sky.
And dance like nobody's watching. Let's hear it for
Onthank Primary!
Tango!